Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're going to be making maple glazed bacon donuts. Yes, you heard me right. Bacon. Maple glazed bacon donuts. Maple glazed bacon donuts. Won't you pretty please be mine? Pretty please. The most important part of this recipe is, of course, the bacon. Let's bake it. I love making bacon this way because it keeps all of the scents of the bacon in the oven, and you take it out and the bacon is well cooked and crisp and perfect. Place the bacon on a baking sheet. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees and let the bacon cook in there for 25 to 35 minutes until it's done to the crispy level that you like. The bacon is ready and crispy and the house smells divine. Put them on a paper towel lined plate, soak up as much grease as you can, and we're going to use it later. First thing you want to do, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. The second step is to grease your donut molds. Okay, this was one of those purchases I got from Amazon. It didn't cost too much. I think they were under $20 for sure. And I've used it a few times and it's come into great use, and we're going to use it for, of course, the maple glazed bacon donuts because, well, they're donuts. So what you want to do is to grease these. If you don't have a donut form pan, I think you can make these into muffins and you'll have the same effect. Just watch it when it cooks because it will cook a little bit differently, so watch the time. 4 tablespoons softened, unsalted butter, 1/4 cup vegetable oil, 1/2 cup sugar, 1/3 cup brown sugar. Beat until smooth. Eggs. Beat to combine. 1½ teaspoons baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon maple extract. Stir to combine. Stir in the flour mixture, alternating with the milk, ending with the flour. 1 cup milk. Crumble 6 pieces of the bacon, or you can use your scissors to chop them up. Distribute the yummy bacon among the wells. Drizzle 3 to 4 tablespoons of maple syrup over the bacon. Spoon the batter evenly, filling up to the top of the wells. We're going to make this look better in just a minute. Bake for 15 minutes until they come out clean with a toothpick. They smell delicious already. Timer went off. Let's check them. Oh my heaven, they smell delicious. That is coming out clean. Let's take them out. All right, let's loosen them a bit so that they will pop out. Oh my. If you could only smell what I smell right now in my kitchen, you'd be very jealous. Let's flip them. Note, I lined the cooling rack with parchment paper. You could do the same with wax paper because there's that glaze to go on. Wow! While the donuts cool just ever so slightly, let's make the maple glaze. 1 cup confectioner sugar, pinch of salt. About 1/4 cup of maple syrup, but just add a little bit at a time, stirring until you can make it into a drizzle that we're going to put over the donuts. Spread the glaze over the warm donuts. Oh boy, they smell heavenly. It smells like French toast and bacon in my kitchen. The donuts obviously don't have a full hole through the center, but I don't think that matters because the glaze is welling there. Can see the bacon on the sides and along with the lovely glaze. Let's take a bite. These are delicious. Holy cow. These are delicious. I'm getting some of the starchiness of a donut, but there is maple flavor deep throughout this donut. That maple glaze just sort of brings it out with a little bit extra sweetness, and the bacon cuts it with a little bit of the savory and saltiness, and these are beyond delicious. Oh boy. If I can do this, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my other videos, especially the top 7 gadgets. Oh, nobody saw that. Uh-oh. Maple bacon donuts, oh maple bacon donuts, oh won't you please be mine? No, no.